Namaskar. Today's topic is endometriosis. As we all know that March month is known for endometriosis and awareness month. Endometriosis or adenomyosis, these are the two problems we see in our OPD with patient in 15 to 20% cases. That causes pelvic pain, period pain, pain during intercourse, chronic pain, sometimes pain during defecation as well. These patients are always in chronic pain. They want to get rid of this pain. And even in infertility, we have seen endometriosis is associated with endometriosis in 40 to 50% cases. So high. Endometriosis is caused by the inner lining of the tissues when they are seen out of uterus over the surface of the ovary and other structures as well. While adenomyosis is the inner lining tissue can be seen on the muscle layer of the uterus. In both conditions, symptoms are more or less same. While adenomyosis, the pain and bleeding especially is more. These patients are usually diagnosed by the history, ultrasound, and especially adenomyosis is diagnosed better with MRI scan. While laparoscopy can be done for those patients who are in pelvic pain and requiring infertility treatment. Therefore, the treatment for these patients are usually symptom associated. If the pain is more, we can try with the painkiller. If not, oral contraceptive pill, deciding treatment for not to get pregnant. While hormonal treatment, other hormonal modalities are present like injection and Mirena coil as well, depending on the situation and requirement of the patient. While infertility is one of the cause of endometriosis and it should be treated separately. We all know that endometriosis is although benign condition but causes severe pain, and these patients should be treated with lot of sympathy, empathy and reassurance. Thank you.